Hello, my name is Michael Chasaran, and I created a website that I believe will make it easier for people to learn about recycling and its benefits. Additionally, I created this PowerPoint to present my website and to show people how easy it is to use. We begin on the home page, where you can find several links on the both bottom and the top of the page. As you can see, I placed the clickable links to the different types of recyclable materials close to each other, and also I made them the same shape, which is a square with rounded edges, following the Gestalt principles of proximity and similarity we had learned in class. I made sure to use a large font and incorporate contrast between the lettering that I used and the background to improve visibility, as well as using the same layout and the elements for all the pages to maintain consistency throughout my site. Following the Gestalt laws and the design principles outlined in the book allowed me to adhere to the usability goals that I found most important for the site. These included the effectiveness of the site, which is how well the site does what it was designed to do, the efficiency of the site, which is how well the site allows the user to carry out tasks with minimal effort, learnability of the site, which is how easy the site is to use, and the memorability of the site, which is how easy it is to remember how to use it once you have already learned the site. I purposely designed the website to be as simple and as user-friendly as possible. I did this by using pop-up subpages instead of separate subpages. I believe this enables the user to navigate around the site much quicker, as they're always able to return to the homepage instantly when they want to view a different section. This enables the user to concentrate on the content the website has to offer and less on how to navigate through the website itself. We will start this guide by clicking on the About Us section located at the top left of the web page. As you can see on this page, we outline the purpose of the project, as well as some information about the organization itself and its mission. This page is very simple to navigate, and after the user reads the information on the section, they just need to press the red X on the top right-hand corner, and they'll return right to the home page. Next, we will navigate to the resources page by clicking the link designated by the word resources at the top of the home page. On this page, we share other resources with the user that will expand their knowledge about recycling and its benefits. After the user reads this information on this section, again, they will just need to press the small red X on the top right-hand corner, and it will take them right back to the home page again. The next section that we will be visiting is the recycling centers section. On this page, the user can input their address in the designated area under the word address. From here, they can choose to click the search button, and it will return a list of all the recycling centers within the default range of 5 miles, as well as show them the recycling centers on the map. If the user decides that they want to see recycling centers which are further away, they can click on the drop-down menu on the right of the word within and pick a further distance from the predetermined list of distances. The user can also zoom in and out of the map with the plus and minus buttons if they need a better view of the recycling centers they chose. If the user decides that they want to erase all the data they entered, all they must do is press the word reset, and it will be cleared. Next, we're going to be visiting the first section of recyclable materials, which is the paper and cardboard. On this page, the user can learn about paper and cardboard goods that are recyclable, as well as how to properly recycle them. And they can also use about some of the materials that are made from these recycled materials. One thing to keep in mind is while the pop-up is displayed on the screen, the other links in the background are not clickable. Now we will navigate to the plastics page. Here we can learn a little bit about how plastic recycling has advanced, as well as which plastics are recyclable and not recyclable. And just like the other section, what products can be made from the recycled plastics. Here we have the metal and aluminum page. On this page, we learn about recycling aluminum as well as recycling other metals and the types of products you can make with the recycled metals. As you can see, other than aluminum, you have also copper, brass, zinc, and tin, which can be used to make all kinds of different products, including building materials. Again, now we're going to click on another recycling materials link, which is glass. Here, we learn about recycling glass and why it's such a great alternative to plastic. We also learn about the types of glass that can be recycled, as well as the ones that cannot be recycled. A lot of people don't know that, for example, glass cups cannot be recycled. And here you find a little bit of information about that. Now let's return back to the homepage by clicking the little red X once again. And lastly, we're going to visit the others page. And finally, on this page, we learn a little bit about the materials that don't really fit into the other categories, as well as what types of products can be made from them. Here, for example, it talks about rubber that's been chopped up, made from tires. A lot of those things are used to make mulch for playgrounds for children, as well as recycling things like textiles for use in insulation for a home. And that is the end of my project. Thank you for your time.